On some of the closed fly stitched areas, you'll find that the colours are split in half on a leaf. So perhaps you'll have this lovely 242 green and then go down to the yellow. It doesn't really matter how you mix and match because all those leaf colours go well together. But once you've run out of using a colour on a leaf or in an area, then just pick up the stem stitched area down the main trunk and just add the remaining wool to that stem. So you're coming down the stem, and just as the colour moves over the last stem colour, it just moves to the outside of the stem. So I began up here in the middle of the stem, and as this outer colour ran out, I just moved the second colour over, so that was then the outer colour. Then when I stitch this area with another colour, perhaps yellowy green, in some of the leaves, I'll just again pick up and take it behind the leaves and all the way down the stem, moving out to the edge when that in turn runs out of colour.